After about 12 hours of painting, my vase is finally done. I'm really thrilled about how this has come out, and I am ready to get it in the oven and get it cured. So let's take a step inside and get that done. All right guys, I'm back inside here with my vase, and it's sitting on my oven, which you can see is completely off at this moment. Now, in order to get this cured, I have used, as you've seen a lot now, this Liquitex, the glass medium. And the glass medium will tell you here on the back that you do want to cure this at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. That is a little bit different than you would cure it without this medium. Usually it's about 350 for 30 minutes. But again, with that on there, we're gonna go 300 for 30 minutes. So again, the oven is completely off to start. Let me get it open. And now I'm going to take the vase, let's get it sat right in the center. Now you can certainly put a cookie sheet or something under it if you prefer, that's perfectly fine. Unfortunately, this is sitting on the bottom rack of my oven and it's being pretty tall. I don't really have enough room to do that, but I've done this enough times that I'm pretty secure that this is going to be okay. Okay, let's get that closed. We're going to turn that on and we're going to get it down to 300 and then we're going to start. Now it's going to go into preheat. My oven takes about 20 minutes to do a preheat. But again, this, I'll turn the light on for you. It is already in the oven and the preset is going on. All right, so we're going to leave that there. I'll check back with you in 30 to see how it ended up. All right, so my 30-minute timer is going off. So at this point, all I'm gonna do is turn the oven off and I'm gonna leave this in here. I am not going to open the oven door. You do not want to touch it whatsoever at all. But at this point, I'm just gonna try to look through the glass, make sure that I don't see any cracks or damage, which doesn't appear to be, and I'm sure that you can't see that too well. I'm just gonna leave this sit until my oven has completely cooled off before taking it out. All right, so it's been about 2 hours and the oven now should be completely cold. I'm going to take and make sure that there's been no cracks, no issues at all. Everything looks great. All right, so that's it. We are completely done. Now it is cured. And with that extra medium that we added, not only will this stay on for long periods of time, it's going to be scratch resistant. And if you do ever want to throw it in the dishwasher or hand wash it, you're free to do so now. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Take care and have a good one.